Hey y'all, hey, back with another video. So I posted recently on my Instagram and some Sisterlock pages how I attempted to seal some of my ends, um, and had people request for me to show them. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. I have my hair in, I don't know why I just did that, but I have my hair in 2-strand twists right now. So because my ends are stretched out, you can't really see the ones that I previously did, but I will post some pictures. Okay, as you can see from the pictures, you can tell the difference. Now, I've just attempted to do these just to see if I can actually help the locking process along and to minimize more unraveling and bunching. So as you know from my previous set, I dealt with a lot of bunching, but again, that was my fault because I had stopped braiding and banding before I was told to and stuff. I am still braiding and banding. I'm making sure I do smaller sections and making sure I'm actually like folding my ends or braiding them all the way to the end. So I have this. It's a crochet, so small crochet, tiny crochet hook. I got this from brambleroots.com. But I think it like comes from Japan. It's the smallest one is 0.35 millimeters. Okay, as you can see, it's really tiny. So, and just like the same concept, I'm sorry, it's really hot in my apartment because my AC is out. Just like if you ever look up Sisterlocks, and you can find many videos on YouTube, it's pretty much the same concept. Of course, Sisterlocks are a lot smaller. So I was just trying it out just to see because my ends are really curly. So I was seeing how they can do. So as you can see, I don't want my ends to bunch up like this. I ain't waiting for them. I've been locked for over a year. So June 3rd of 2018, and it's now September 5th of 2019. Okay. And learning from my previous set, it will take over 2 years for my hair to fully lock. So I just want to see, I was just, again, trying it out to see if it will help the locking process. I just did a couple a few days ago. So, you know, after this video, after a few washes in a few weeks or maybe a few months, because you know I'm slow with the videos, then I will come back with an update and show you how my locks look. But so this is sort of a tutorial. Again, I'm not perfect at this. So you're going to take this small little needle. You're going to put the lock in between 2 fingers. Okay. And what you're going to do is you're going to go back and forth while twisting the hair. Now, again, this is something I'm just doing with my hair. If you decide to do it and you mess up, I will not take the blame. So just remember that. But, and just be really patient going back and forth. And as you can see, I'm moving down slowly. And it's going to take a few tries. So, I'll do it again. Also, if you, I'm not sure how many consultants do it. If you have loose ends and you're concerned, of course, as I always say, bring your concerns and your questions to your consultant, because you don't know what they know, and you don't know how they can help you unless you ask. So I believe my main consultant actually knows how to do this. I want to try it for myself. Instead of, not that I don't mind, I just don't want to pay anybody to do something I can possibly do myself. Except for my retires, only because they take forever. But these, I don't plan on doing my whole head, only because I have like a million locks. So, but I do want to like do a few that I feel may be a concern for bunching. I'm sorry guys, I'm sweaty. My AC is out and I'm waiting for the maintenance guy to get here and fix it. So hot. So what I'm gonna do towards the end, so I'm gonna just fold it up. Not for any particular reason, I just want to strengthen the ends and it's not shedding. This is also a way you can reattach locks. I know some consultants, they reattach locks this method. Again, it's not going to be perfect because, you know, unlike actual Sisterlocks, there's not much hair. There's not a lot of hair. So, woo! And there's some length, as you can see. I may also make my lock longer. So this is about as good as it's gonna get, really. I mean, I can try and work on getting it tighter, but you know, again, I just started, so there may or may not be hope in actually getting it tighter. So that's what I'm doing in between my fingers. And I'm twisting it so it can catch some of the hairs and bring them in, and you know, so they can bond together. Well, I must say bond, but get closer together. Just section right here. Anyways, I'm not gonna record me doing this until I get this shit tighter. Y'all be standing, y'all be looking at me forever. So. And again, it's not going to be perfect, but hoping that it will help with the locking process. You know what? My lock would be more uniform as opposed to like it bunching and carrying on that my hair does. Oh, and to show you my twist out. I mean my twist, my 2-strand twist. I just had a fresh retightening a couple of days ago. So I don't know how many locks I have. I still haven't counted, nor am I going to count. In my mind, I will always have 1,000,000, and that's good enough for me. Okay, but I did this one to stretch out my hair, stretch out my ends. It's a semi-cute style, and then when I take it out, it'll just be all wavy. And it's a protective style. Okay, well, that was the end of that. Woo, this weather is not playing. Thank you for watching. I hope that helps. I'll put the link of where I bought the crochet tool in the comments below. No, I bought this tool a while ago, so again, I was just trying it on a few locks just to see, and if it's successful, or even if it's not, I'm hoping it'll be a success. But either way, I'll come back to y'all, you know, sometime in the near future and just give y'all an update and stuff. So I hope you stay tuned and let me know in the comments below what you think, and if it's something you're willing to try. Do you like your curly ends? Do you wish they were sealed? Or, you know, how long have you been sister locked? I appreciate y'all watching this video, and until next time.